The Indian Meteorological Department of India has predicted heavy to very heavy rains in most parts of Gujarat for the next 5 days till September 5, 2024. Now, while the state is out of the grip of the rare cyclone Asna that was expected over Saurashtra and Kutch regions, Gujarat will have squally winds up to the speeds of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. The Weather Observatory has further issued an orange alert for South Gujarat regions, predicting heavy to very heavy rains at isolated areas. These are some of the visuals that we bring to you of how the situation and how the rainfall has been over the last couple of days. These specific visuals are in fact from the 31st of August, which was yesterday. Vadodara, Bharuch, Anand, Narmada, Panchmahal, Dahod and Chota Udeipur are expected to witness heavy rains over the course of the next few days. Meanwhile, regions such as Gandhinagar, Aravali, Ahmedabad and districts of Saurashtra and Kutch, namely Rajkot and Jamnagar, will be witnessing light to moderate thunderstorms with lightning as per the MET department in their latest bulletin. Severe waterlogging and massive floods have resulted in huge losses of lives and the property in the state. So far, around 32 people have died due to the incidents triggered by heavy rains in Gujarat. Over 18,000 individuals have been evacuated and approximately 1,200 have been rescued from flood-affected areas across the state. Public anger, on the other hand, over the devastating Gujarat flood has spilled on to the streets in Vadodara, and this is amid such inundated circumstances over the last few days, with the residents hitting out at their leaders and dumping garbage outside their premises to protest against the authorities. Videos, in fact, of MLAs being heckled and turned away from several parts of the city have gone viral on social media as citizens begin assessing the havoc caused by the heavy rainfall. On the other hand, the much-feared cyclone Asna has now moved towards the Arabian Sea and will not have any impact on the Indian coasts, according to the MET.
આગળ ન મોકલતા વધારે પ્રેશર દે બહાર